Welcome to St Killians. In this short video, we'll guide you step by step through unpacking and setting up your candle stand. Start by carefully turning the box onto its side. Using a suitable knife, cut through the tape along both edges. Open one side of the box completely so you can remove the stand easily. Turn the box so the open side faces down and lift the cardboard away. Remove all foam and packaging. Lift off the top retro, then the bottom retro to reveal the water tray underneath. Fill the water tray with water. The water should come to about 2 inches or just below your knuckle, enough to ensure each candle extinguishes safely. Replace the bottom retro securely. Apply a light coat of silicone spray to the bottom retro to make servicing the next time easier. Always be sure to follow the safety instructions on the back of the can. Place the top retro back onto the stand and now add your glasses. Open the box of St Killians candles and remove the lid. Place the candle box onto the designated shelf. Your stand is now ready for use in your parish. Welcome to St Killians. St Killians, the safest, cleanest candle burning system in the world.